Hey YouTube, it's Gail Banks. Welcome to my channel. Uh, Thank you all for subscribing and liking and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I have a small project share with you guys. I tried my hand at making a wreath. And please forgive these little lines here. I got the blinds kind of cracked because it's a sunny day today. And when I closed them, it was darker in here. So this is my very first attempt at making a wreath. I watched a few videos um, and I thought I had it, but I don't think I quite got it. I used a heart form from the Dollar Tree. The mesh I got from Hobby Lobby during one of their 50% off ribbon sales. And these flowers and ribbons all came from the Dollar Tree. So don't even know if you can tell that it's a heart or not, but it's not bad. It's not great. Let me show you how it looks. And this is the back side of it. So there you can see where the heart is at. And I like it, but I don't know if I'm in love with it. It took me all day to do this. I worked one weekend. I think it was last Saturday. I worked on this and did this wreath. So I purchased some more mesh from Joann's, which I'll share with you in a separate haul. And I have a round wreath form. And I watched a couple of videos from May Made It on how to do something different, because I think I put too much of the mesh in here and bunched it up together. But this is my first attempt at a wreath. Let me go really slow. I tried, and all this ribbon came from the Dollar Tree. I got this from the Dollar Tree. The mesh, like I said, came from Hobby Lobby. So let me just move it around really slow so you guys can see it. I hope that sunlight isn't distorting your view. So I just wanted to share with you what I've been up to. And this is my very first attempt. Am I in love with it? No. Do I dislike it? No. Do I think I can improve upon it? Of course. Yes, I do. So when I make the next one, I will truly share that with you guys. So I appreciate you stopping by, uh, watching my videos, and subscribing to my channel and everything. I really, really like it. And we have a wonderful community here on YouTube. So thank you. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Tell me if you make wreaths, what would you do different? Or because any tip and trick will help me tremendously. Hit the bell notification to be notified of new video uploads. And I do have several haul videos coming up. So stay tuned, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.